friends, and welcome back to AmandaMuse. So today we are getting the deck ready for summer. We've been using it pretty much steady since the warm weather got here, and maybe even before the warm weather got here. I've got a couple chairs, I've got a couple planters I want to put out there, but there's a couple things that have been sitting there in the winter. I need to sweep it, I need to like wipe down the chairs, I need to get the barbecue ready, I need, there's all these little things I need to do. And I'm kind of hoping that my friend and cleaning muse, Spongy, stops by today. Do you guys remember him from a couple weeks back? He's a good time, full of good tips. Big thanks to Sponge Towels for sponsoring and collaborating with me today on this video. All right, I'm excited to just like get it done so we can start to enjoy it. Do you know what I mean? All right, let's jump into it. So I think I can do this. I'm sort of assessing what's going on here. It's not as bad as it appears, basically. So I've got my supplies. I'm gonna get started cleaning. The kids right now are entertaining themselves with a volcano experiment. It's kind of messy, but I think it's contained. So we'll see how it goes. I'm still playing around with how I actually want my deck to look. We haven't got any new furniture yet, although we have this big, beautiful deck. So for now, I'm gonna keep my chairs out. I am gonna give them a little wipe down, and then I might just sit down and have a cup of tea. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna go get the rest of my cleaning supplies because I got a little bit more work ahead of me. All right, I need some extra supplies here. Okay, I'm gonna go get a little cup of water. I gotta get back to work, you guys. What? Spongy, you're here!
I'm here to the rescue.
I'm so excited! I'm so glad to see you again!
You too.
You know what? Since I last saw you, I tackled all my spring cleaning. But summer's here. I need to get this deck sorted. I just cleaned the chair.
Wow, it looks great.
Right? That's what I thought. So now I have to get all the glass windows. I've got all my sponge towels.
I'm the right sponge for the job.
Right? All right, I'm gonna take a little water break and then I'll tackle it.
Awesome.
All right, do this.
You can do it.
Mom, we're ready.
Okay, let's do this, you guys. Jackie, are you ready? Okay, so we're gonna take some warm water, put your funnel in there. Food coloring. Okay, what color did you choose?
I choose purple.
Purple. Jackie, what color do you want? Blue. Oh, did you choose blue? Yeah, okay, so here, you take this, that's it, and pop a couple of drops in there, baby. You do yours too. Let's see. Add 6 drops of dish soap. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Want to try it yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. We're almost getting there, you guys. What's next? 2 or 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Okay, let's do it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think this is gonna get real right now. Should we make some messes? Are we gonna have some fun?
Yeah!
Woo! Okay, here we go. We have got the vinegar on one side. You're gonna hold that one. Jack, I'm excited! Are you excited? Okay, let's start pouring. Ready? Woo! Ah! Oh my goodness! Look at this!
What's going on here?
Spongy! Perfect timing! I mean, is this awesome or what?
That's great.
Oh my gosh, guys.
This will need a cleanup.
I can't believe how messy these got.
Let's help Mommy clean up.
Will you, Dad? Good job, Jackie. Okay guys, I gotta get back to cleaning up the backyard. Bye.
Bye.
See you later. You guys finish cleaning, okay? All right, summer hat on. It's a sunny day today. Don't want to burn. We've managed the experiment. It went well. The kids had a blast. Now it is time to start the deck transformation. Is Sponge Towel gonna come here a lot?
Yeah.
I think maybe just for the day. Just to help us a little bit. Is that okay? Okay. Dean.
Hi.
Hi, handsome. All right, we gotta clean this barbecue.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about it?
Well, if we want to use it, we got to get it clean.
Let's get started.
Missed the spot. Put some elbow grease into it.
This stuff really works well.
Nice. Set up this pretty little hanging basket. Couldn't tell ya what kind of flower it is. Bet you my mom could though. Anyway, I'm gonna add a little bit of water and then I'm gonna hang it up. So cute. I like to use sponge towels. They have the sponge pockets, which are super absorbent, and it just really helps kind of speed up the process, and you get it all done without needing too many products, which I like.
Look at that beautiful pink hue with that pink hat. How did you get that all together?
I don't know. I just protect myself from the sun. Also, it's stinking hot out. Whew. All right, let's get this.
Why don't you do some more work when it's hotter?
Well, I just want to get this done so we can enjoy it.
Hi, Nora.
I think I did it. Now we just have to decide what kind of furniture we want to get on this deck. We got this deck built last year. We haven't really committed to anything, although I'm seeing a lot of sales. So we'll see. But for now, we got our chairs, our little fire pit. Jack loves his little toy out on the deck, and the barbecue's clean. So.
And a
you happy?
shorty poo.
Are you happy, Nora?
Nora.
That's a wrap. We did it. We have cleaned, we have conquered the deck. It's ready to rock, guys. Do you want to come over? A little summer barbecue action. So that part's done. I still have things I want to tend to in the garden. I have some basement decluttering. Like, there's always so much to do. Just not enough time to do it in. But a big thanks to Sponge Towels for teaming up with me today and sponsoring this video. Always a pleasure to see my buddy Spongy. Anyway, I want to know in the comments, how are you doing on your summer deck organization? Are you ready? How are you feeling about everything? Also worth noting, you should check out the link below. HGTV has some special tips for summer cleaning and getting your deck organized, and just basically getting ready for the summer, so be sure to check that out. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.